Are you ready to start a new chapter in your life? Maybe you feel stuck, uninspired, or simply tired of the same old routine. The good news is, you have the power to change that. Today, we're going to talk about how to create a new you, how to redefine yourself, transform your life, and become the person you've always wanted to be. 1. Acknowledge where you are now. The first step in creating a new you is acknowledging where you are right now. Take a moment to reflect on your current situation. What aspects of your life are you happy with, and what areas feel unfulfilling? This is about being honest with yourself, no judgment, just awareness. Write down your thoughts. What do you love about your life? What do you wish you could change? This clarity is crucial because you can't know where you're going if you don't know where you're starting. 2. Define your vision. Next, it's time to define your vision. Who do you want to become? What does your ideal life look like? Don't hold back, let your imagination run wild. Picture yourself 1 year, 5 years, 10 years from now. What are you doing? How do you feel? Who's with you? Creating a vision isn't just about setting goals, it's about creating a clear picture of the life you want to live. This vision will be your guiding star, keeping you focused and motivated as you work towards becoming the new you. 3. Set clear, achievable goals. Once you have your vision, it's time to set clear, achievable goals. These goals are the steps you'll take to turn your vision into reality. Start by breaking down your big dreams into smaller, manageable tasks. Remember, it's okay to start small. The key is consistency. Each small step brings you closer to the new you. Make your goals specific, measurable, and realistic. This will help you track your progress and stay motivated. 4. Embrace change and let go of the old you. Creating a new you often means letting go of the old you. This can be one of the most challenging parts of transformation, but it's essential. Start by letting go of things that no longer serve you, old habits, toxic relationships, limiting beliefs. Embrace change as a necessary part of growth. Understand that the process of becoming a new you might involve discomfort. That's okay, it's all part of the journey. Let go of what's holding you back and make room for new experiences and opportunities. 5. Build positive habits and routines. Your daily habits and routines shape who you are. To create a new you, start by building positive habits that align with your vision. This might mean waking up earlier, eating healthier, exercising regularly, or setting aside time each day for personal growth. Building new habits takes time and effort, but it's one of the most powerful ways to create lasting change. Focus on consistency, and don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. What matters is getting back on track. 6. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people you surround yourself with play a significant role in your transformation. Seek out positive influences, people who support your growth, who inspire and motivate you. This might mean building new relationships or distancing yourself from those who hold you back. Surrounding yourself with the right people can make all the difference. They'll help you stay focused, provide encouragement when you need it, and celebrate your successes along the way. 7. Be patient and persistent. Transformation doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to keep going, even when things get tough. There will be setbacks, moments of doubt, and times when you feel like giving up. But remember, every step you take is progress. Stay committed to your vision. Celebrate small victories and learn from your mistakes. The journey of creating a new you is just as important as the destination. 8. Reflect and adjust your course. As you move forward, it's important to regularly reflect on your progress and adjust your course if needed. Are you moving closer to your vision? Are your goals still aligned with who you want to become? Don't be afraid to make changes if something isn't working. Creating a new you is an ongoing process. It's okay to change your mind, set new goals, and redefine your vision as you grow. The important thing is to stay true to yourself and keep moving forward. Remember, creating a new you is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuously evolving, learning, and growing. Embrace the process, stay committed to your vision, and trust that with time and effort, you'll become the person you're meant to be. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and transformation. Until next time, keep striving for the best version of yourself.